I can do a fire drill.
Okay.
At least I'll take a picture of me.
Now do your little phone thing.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Oh no, it's like this. It's
probably
so good.
Baker's.
Baker's for you. I'm not here. I'm not here. Baker's for you. It's not like I'm not here. Hi. Yeah. Oh really? She did. Oh, how did it weigh? What's it weigh? Like 7 pounds? Oh God, he's got brown hair and blue eyes. Don't they all have blue eyes? Well, this one has really blue eyes. Oh God, that is so. Oh God, we will be down with some brownies and some ham and the other various things. Oh, that is. Oh my. Oh God.
How big is it?
Oh, he's 18 inches. Oh, he's probably about that long. Not that long. Oh God. Oh jeez. He was about that big. Oh God. Well, we will be down there in just a moment. I tell you, that is. I have been waiting this day for at least 9 months. I mean, at least. And I knew it was going to happen. I set you two up. Oh yes, I did. Oh God. Yes, we will be down there in a minute. Sherman! Sherman! We'll be down in a minute. Bye. Sherman!